Cardano value equivalent to $0.2809 a coin. The present reach: $0.2771, $0.2898. The earlier day close: $0.2809. The change was 0.0000, 0.00%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to ADA. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $0.25. Most extreme cost 36 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 30 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 34 cents, change for October 36.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place cost at $0.34. Greatest cost 42 cents, least cost 30 cents. The normal for the month 36 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 39 cents, change for November 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $0.39. Greatest cost 42 cents, least cost 36 cents. The normal for the month 39 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 39 cents, change for December 0.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.39. Greatest cost 39 cents, least cost 31 cents. The normal for the month 36 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 33 cents, change for January 15.4%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at $0.33. Most extreme cost 37 cents, least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 35 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 35 cents, change for February 6.1%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $0.35. Most extreme cost 35 cents, least cost 27 cents. The normal for the month 32 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 29 cents, change for spring 17.1%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 29 cents, least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 28 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 27 cents, change for April 6.9%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Before all else cost at $0.27. Most extreme cost 29 cents, least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 27 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 27 cents, change for May 0.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost at $0.27. Most extreme cost 33 cents, least cost 27 cents. The normal for the month 30 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 31 cents, change for June 14.8%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Initially cost at $0.31. Most extreme cost 31 cents, least cost 26 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 28 cents, change for July 9.7%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at $0.28. Greatest cost 34 cents, least cost 28 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 32 cents, change for August 14.3%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. Before all else cost at $0.32. Most extreme cost 32 cents, least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 27 cents, change for September 15.6%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $0.27. Greatest cost 27 cents, least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 23 cents, change for October 14.8%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6 cents, change for December 14.3%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. At the outset cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents, change for January 16.7%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7 cents, change for February 0.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Before all else cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6 cents, change for spring 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $0.06. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7 cents, change for April 16.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8 cents, change for May 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2026. To start with cost at $0.08. Greatest cost 8 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents, change for June 12.5%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Before all else cost at $0.07. Most Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 8 cents, change for July 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2026. Initially cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 10 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 9 cents, change for August 12.5%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.09. Greatest cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 10 cents, change for September 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2026. In the first place cost at $0.10. Greatest cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents.